Welcome to our certifications course category, your gateway to industry recognized credentials and real world IT success. Whether you're launching your IT journey or leveling up your career, our certification prep courses are expertly designed to help you master the essentials. Explore key areas like networking, cybersecurity, cloud computing, and beyond. Every course is taught live by experienced instructors who understand the exam landscape and real world job demands. They'll guide you through hands-on labs, share practical insights, and make sure you're fully prepared to pass your exams and succeed on the job. You'll finish with certified focused resources, exam readiness tools, and a roadmap for continued IT growth. Whether you're an individual looking for a public class or seeking expert-led training for your team, or searching for a trusted partner to create a scalable enterprise-wide learning plan for your organization, we've got flexible options to support your success. Check out the full list of courses below to find the right one for your needs. And if you're interested in special rates or private team training, reach out today. We're here to support your success.